Hi, and welcome to OneSub Tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OneSub support team. In this video, I will show you how to configure SMS notifications for your customers when they book through your OneSub booking pages. SMS notifications provide an additional channel alongside email, helping ensure your customers receive timely updates and attend their meetings. Let's get started. First, make sure your booking form collects the customer number. To do this, click on Booking Pages from the left-hand sidebar and open the booking form editor from the left. Select the relevant booking form and ensure that the mobile phone field is added to the form. If not, go to the System Fields drop-down and add the mobile field to the booking form. Next, enable SMS notifications by checking the Enable SMS box. You can also make this field as required by selecting this box. Once you have done the changes, click Save. This ensures customers provide their number before booking, and an opt-in and opt-out checkbox will appear in the booking form, giving customers the choice to receive notifications via SMS. Now let's make sure the correct booking form is selected. If your booking page has an event type, each event type has its own booking form. Otherwise, the booking form is selected at the booking page level. I have the event types added to the booking page, so I will go to the event type. In the booking form and redirect section, select the relevant booking form. You can also preview the form to confirm all the fields appear in the correct order. Once done, hit save. Next, select which SMS notifications the customers will receive. To do this, go to customer notification setting. Select all the relevant booking scenarios such as meeting confirmations, reminders and follow-up for the SMS notifications, booking cancellations, and all the other relevant booking scenarios under the SMS tab. Once done, hit save. Finally, ensure you have SMS credits available in your account. You can check this by clicking on the gear icon on the top, then going to billing. Here you will see your SMS credits remaining in the OneSub account. On the guest end, when they access your booking page, they will be able to select the date and time. Next, they can fill in the booking form by entering the relevant fields. They will see an opt-in box to receive the SMS notifications. They can ensure they enable this and schedule a meeting with you. And that's it. Once configured, your customers will receive timely SMS updates for the notifications you have enabled, improving attendance and keeping them informed about their booking. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next OneSub tutorial.